this is Hannah from Hosen Ceramics, and today we are on the show of the Canton Fair. This is our booth, and we would like to introduce something new for you. Here in my backside, you will see the very new items. There will be some colors differences and mixed together. You also will find that we have used the technology, the new technology. You can check. The effect will be totally different compared to the previous items. So in this Canton Fair, we still have lots of the items. Let's check out. And in this table, you will find that this texture is totally different, and we will have some nature style inspiration also from the nature, and we will take it from the mountain, from the desert, and everything like this. So we will decorate like this way to make it like in the forest. And come here, you will see a very new styles like this. In this decoration, you will see this is also very nice and different colors mixed, similar like the items behind me, but it's also a little bit different. Okay, we're really very excited to introduce you more items. You will see lots of our customers are attracted by this kind of the new collections. We're very proud to introduce you like this kind of the reactive glazed items are very popular in our Canton Fair. And in my behind of mine, you will see lots of the new designs. It's really very amazing. You will see the colors, and it's very natural and totally different, and everyone is unique. So when you buy it, we will warmly remind you of these kind of the things as well. Welcome to come here, and you can customize your own colors. Actually, we are also very happy to introduce the totally different product lines with you. This is the very different styles, but with a very affordable price. It's different from that kind of things I introduced before, but they also can be suitable for the supermarket and even for your own finishing store, but in a very good price levels. So you will see we really have many different kinds of the choices here. Welcome to Canton Fair. Welcome to Hosen Home. Guys, later we will introduce you another booth in this Canton Fair. It's a totally different styles. Let's expect and see you.